12-year-old Katelyn Thornley started sneezing a month ago, and she hasn't been able to stop. Just listen to her. The schoolgirl who lives outside Houston sneezes 12,000 times a day. Sometimes the 7th grader can't complete a sentence.
Some kid ends up making fun of me or something like that, and it just gets...
The only time the sneezing seems to slow down is when Katelyn listens to music.
Even in my dreams, I sneeze.
For now, it's a medical mystery. Doctors have ruled out allergies or a virus. Until they figure it out, Katelyn can't go to school.